Hey guys, we are going to work on a canvas today. I want to do a mason jar holding some hydrangeas on a table with a yellow background. So we're going to get a rough sketch in here. We are going to be using bubble wrap for our circles for our hydrangeas. I thought I was going to do 5, but I ended up going with 3. And then we're going to get several different colors of yellow and white on for our background. Going to press that in with a paintbrush. I did some short strokes so that you could see the different colors and they didn't all just blend into one. I think it just gave it a little dimension. I don't know, I liked it. And then I even put some in so that you could see through our flowers too. And then we're going to do some brown and khaki colored paints for our table. I tried to keep the brush strokes in line to where it stayed looking like a table. This was a big canvas, so some of it is out of the camera range. Then I give that all a good dry, and then next we're going to cut out our bubble wrap circles that we traced earlier. And we're going to spread some paint on them, the bubble side, and then we're going to press those down like stamps. I did dark purple, light purple, and then white. And they are going to be our little hydrangeas. I thought this was an easy, quick, pretty way to get the look that I wanted. Then at the top there, I did use a tight bond container to do my shape for the jar, so it's not perfect, but at the top there we're going to do some silver metallic paint. I used a craft stick on its side, like the narrow edge, to dip in green paint and get our stems. And then we're just going to put in some lines for our table and give things a dry as we go so we don't put our hand in them. I did some texture up there with the black marker for the rim of our jar. And then we're just touching up as we need to. I did put a leaf in. I think I only did a couple. Yeah, I just did 2, I believe. And I used some different greens. I tried to put some veins in there and make it look good. I also took some different greens throughout the stems. And I was just trying to make this whole piece, the background, the table, even, the flowers and jar and all that, textured as much as I could. Then we're going to take a light blue and white paint and we're going to make it look like the jar has water in it. I even put a little thing up there to make it look like a reflection in the jar. Guys, I love the way this turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time.